Do you see a countdown?
Yes.
Okay.
Randy's like
blinking.
Randy's like, I'm waiting for you want to get fired.
So now, since the ladies want party and balls, this has balls and party. And
All right.
the name of the song is Loco Loco, and it's from
Loco
Serbia.
Loco.
That's our vibe. Oh.
Okay.
Pink again.
I'm all about the sunglasses. Okay, pussycat dolls. I like the outfit. Yeah, pink again, pink.
Yeah,
and
gray.
gray. I like the glasses. Gucci.
Super curly hairs.
Mm-hmm. Okay, right.
It's like there's one closet that everyone
Yes.
is from.
That pink suit, right? And the gray dress. Even though I'd like it though. Alright.
And that onesie.
Everybody has the same designer.
She got too much ball pop.
Oh, the disco ball. That was all the
A
balls.
lot of balls, I told you,
yeah.
it's all about balls. Are you focusing on the lyrics?
I'm not sure what's going on. I feel like I'm
those lyrics.
Girls, come on.
Yeah, I like this part. Yeah. That part.
There is a lot going on. I can't blink.
I think I got sucked into the video. It was just like,
Yeah. Hurricane Loco. That is like South Beach on steroids.
Miami.
I don't know what that means.
Miami.
Wow.
South Beach, Miami. Florida.
Wow.
Do you have
America.
a bathtub there full of balls?
It is the
No,
beach life
it's
and
just
all the ladies look like
neon
that.
and
Bright neon things.
balls and
Party all
balls.
night. Party, bubbles, curly hair,
Wow.
Okay.
brightness.
Wow.
Alright, I already know where I'm going.
Okay, I like their hair. I like their hair.
And their nails
I
and
like
their
her,
makeup.
yeah.
I know.
I did not like their shoes when they were in the bathtub,
That was too much.
except for the leopard print shoes. I thought those were cute.
I like the guy that was on there. He was hot.
He was
Oh, he's
cute.
nice. Got all the points.
That's where he has it. I'm not gonna
All my
lie.
points is for him.
So guys, here are your results for the vote. And now we're gonna see the ladies' results. In 3, 2, 1,
Huh.
go.
Boom.
3, 3, 3.
Yeah.
All agree.
Yeah, 3 girls,
3 points.
points.
A point each.
Point each. But great hair, ladies.
No, my points were
Well,
for the guys.
actually, a point each from Janae for the girls, 3 points, 2 points for the boy, and 1 point for the girls for me, and all 3 points
For Katie's for the
boy.
vote. Guys, as I told you, this is the last video of this series, which also means the last one where we'll have at least live. Jillian, maybe we can do Zoom stuff.
Yeah, we can do some. Bye, everybody. I
So,
heart you all.
I feel like we're on Survivor,
Friends video.
and now Julian is leaving the island. The
I'm not
tribe has
sexy.
spoken.
Look,
will retrieve your voting members.
Yes, all those ones. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Julia, for being in all these videos.
Yes, I enjoyed it. I'll be back.
Is like the Terminator.
I'll be back.
Hope to see you guys in future videos. Thank you again, Janae, Katie, Jillian.
How you doing?
That's fun.
Please subscribe to the channel. I keep
Please
telling you that. This almost sounds like a threat now. You better
Come
subscribe.
on, everybody,
please.
subscribe.
It helps.
You won't miss anything. You won't. You will miss a lot if you don't subscribe.
Yeah.
So do not miss it. Everything is just Eurovision on this channel. You will like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye.